subway locomotive. Let's load equipment into the driver's cab. Done. Let's hang a subway map for the convenience of the passengers. Let's wash the subway locomotive. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble a subway car. Keep up the good work. Let's load seats and route display into the subway car. Ready. Let's repair the wheel set of a car. Let's wash the subway car. Keep it up. Let's assemble the train. Go on. Keep it up. A new elevated subway station is now open for passengers. Well done. Now passengers will be able to get around the city quickly and comfortably. Several railroad sections need to be repaired or replaced. We need to assemble a timber loader. Keep it up. let's load the details for rails onto the timber loader. Hooray! Let's prepare new rails and sleepers for the replacement. Let's wash the timber loader. That's all. Let's assemble the crane. Ready. And now we need to fuel the crane. Pump. Keep it up. Let's replace the old rails. Let's weld a crack on the crane. You're doing really great. And now let's grind the seam. We did it! Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. Hooray! Let's assemble a rail grinder. Don't stop. And now we need to fuel the rail grinder. Press the pump. We did it. Let's polish the new rails to a shine. We need to wash the rail grinder. Done. Let's assemble a demolition excavator. It up. And now we need to fuel the demolition excavator. Press the pump. We did it. Let's bring down the old building. We need to fix a crack on the demolition excavator. That's all. Let's grind the welding seam. We did it! Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the same color. We did it!